If you want to reset the private space password on Google Pixel 10a, then unfortunately there is no dedicated recovery method that would allow you to get the access to the private space again. If you keep entering the incorrect password, then eventually you will have the timeout and you will have to wait until the next attempt. So the only way to actually reset the private space password is to completely delete the private space password and set it up again. Of course, as a drawback, anything you have inside of the private space password, everything in there, I mean, it's going to be removed because we delete the whole private space. So if you decide to do so, we have to open the settings, then go to System, and then we're going to choose the reset options, and in here we can find delete private space. We need to enter our screenlock password, not the private space password, and then we need to confirm that we want to delete the private space. You can also read that all apps in your space and their data will also be permanently deleted from your phone's internal storage. Unless you have a backup or something, unfortunately these files and apps will be gone. And once you delete the private space, of course it is now gone, and you will have to set it up again. This time, of course, you can choose the new password and you can set it up from scratch. So you can just simply go to, let's say, the security and privacy, of course, and then in here we can create the private space. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.